Welcome back, Crammers, to question 6. Here are 9 shapes drawn on a grid of squares. Shape D is a quadrilateral. What is the name of this quadrilateral? So we can see that one of the sides is slanted, both of the bases are parallel to each other, so this has to be a trapezium. Trapezium. One of the shapes is congruent to shape G, so this one, write down the letter of this shape. So we can see that all the other shapes, only one looks like G but is simply rotated. Note how the base is 2 for G and the base for F is also 2. So we can simply write here that F is congruent to G. Write down the order of rotational symmetry for shape H. So shape H can be rotated this way and still be symmetrical. It can be rotated this way and still be symmetrical, this way as well, and this way as well. So that makes a total of 4 different times. How many lines of symmetry has shape E? Well, shape E has 1 and 2 lines of symmetry, so we can write here 2. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.